So 3 of the tuners were loose from factory, which we didn't know because the nuts were tight. Notice the different size. You want the longer one on the upper because the first string coming off here is going to be pulled to the side here and then go to this tuner. So this one you want pulled a little further in to go to this tuner. So just be mindful of that. They are a different size for a reason. Otherwise, you'll figure it out when you put the strings on, and then you'll have to undo a lot of stuff. And we may have to straighten them. I'm not cranking down on the nuts, we're just snugging, because this way we can still shimmy them side to side a little bit if need be.